Okay, it's a very exciting question, and I would say, we have just started the journey. We have launched today 400th outlet, and we are pretty confident by March we will touch 500 outlets. So we will be adding in this year almost 150 outlets, and looking at crossing next year, adding another 200 outlets in the franchise business. So we are the fastest growing, fastest expanding organized used car space. We are in that space, and we plan, I think, by sometime by F19 financial year 19, next 5 years, we should have about 2000 outlets, 2000 plus outlets. That's the speed we are looking at. And in fact, when we started, we thought response will be only in A and B category towns. Actually, we are getting very good response even from C and D category towns. So response is very good. People want to be associated with used car business, organized used car business. Mahindra brand is helping us in building that trust. And what is most important is that there is a huge acceptance of both product, Mahindra First Choice brand, and technology in smaller towns as well. So there's an excellent response, and what gives us huge confidence is that today we have 34 outlets, for example, in Delhi, and by March we will have about 40 outlets in Delhi alone. So imagine, you see the potential. In almost 2 years we have doubled our network in Delhi. Bombay we have 18 outlets. So any big city you move, we have multiple outlets. Like Pune, we have about 10 outlets. So every large city has multiple outlets. We have about 65 cities with multiple outlets. We have presence in about 225 cities, and I'm sure we will touch about 250 cities by financial year March closing. So that's a kind of response we have, and we have various formats. We have formats for A category towns, we have formats for B category towns, C and D category. So depending on the town category, we have a format so that business is viable. What is most exciting is that even including a franchisee we inaugurated today, he went for a second outlet in a year's time. So within a year, he is able to open a second outlet. There are about 45 franchisees with multiple outlets. So it tells you the proof of the model and proof of the pudding that business is profitable. That is why my own franchisees are expanding into more number of outlets. We have franchisees up to having 5 outlets in the country, one guy handling 5 outlets, or multiple guys with multiple outlets. So that's one exciting thing. Another thing which is most important, I think, in a franchising industry, and I help Franchise India to communicate and to understand for people, is that 30% of my franchisees today are from a non-auto background. They have nothing to do. They are first time entrepreneurs in life. The outlet which we inaugurated today, they became an entrepreneur about 14-15 months back. So imagine an entrepreneur becoming an entrepreneur, becoming a franchisee, and you're opening a second outlet. So it tells our capability and competency that we can convert a fresher into an entrepreneur, a franchisee, and he is the owner of the business. I think that gives us the most confidence. So my franchisee going for multiple outlets, turning people from a non-auto background, people coming from various fields, young MBAs coming, want to start their own business. We have technology, we have team, we have brand which can take them forward. And in spite of new car business going through a pressure, I think we are doing pretty well, and huge acceptance for an organized used car player in the country. Yes, new car is almost at a similar level, growing at 2-3%. Used car business is growing at about 15 to 16% this year. Organized used car is growing in the region of about 22 to 24% this year. So it's faster than the way a used car business is growing. So things are getting organized. Like any other category, any other brand, people are turning from an unorganized to you. This will happen here as well. People going on online looking for a car at OLX, they want us to inspect that car. They want us to do paperwork for them. So you can go on online, you can look at cars, but finally you need somebody physically on ground to make the transaction happen. And we are best positioned in the country to service these demand online, who can have physical transaction of cars, who can do paperwork for these people, who can enable finance through a leading banks, who can enable insurance for the people. So anything a used car guy needs, including accessories, any need he has, we have everything for them. Leading banks, we are financing through HDFC, Mahindra Finance. So every bank we got a product done for us. So we are enabling used car dream come through for a customer. And we are enabling again delivering people cars ranging from Nano to Maruti to Hyundai, small cars even up to BMWs and Audis, Mercs, I think. So that's a range we have. Yes, e-commerce space is, yeah, like any other category, e-commerce space is growing here as well. But what is most important is that e-commerce space can only bring connect, they can contact, but after that they need somebody like me in the center of the transaction to make a transaction happen. So I play that role. I see the car, I auto inspect a car, I certify a car, I give warranty on a car, which is a Mahindra brand warranty. I enable finance for these people. So I am doing a paperwork for a buyer and seller both. If a seller is selling a car, I buy that car. If a buyer wants to buy a car, I have a car for him. So I think we are doing everything. So we are making e-commerce happen in the country. Yes, challenges we have demand. I think I would say two larger challenges is to make people adopt the technology, move faster from that, which is good and happening pretty fast. I think real estate and manpower, so getting people onto it, and we are solving it through various ways. That is why we are bringing people from the other industries. The outlet we inaugurated today, we got people from a non-auto background, non-auto industry staff. We trained them, the entire team, right from the store head till this person who delivers a car. Everybody is from a non-auto background, and we have trained them, and we are bringing people from outside and training them and making outlet perform. See, used car is like a share market. We have an excellent pricing tool. There are two things most important in used car is condition of a car and price of a car. We have the best technology product with us. On that, a layman can go, whether a buyer, whether a seller or a consumer or a trader, he can go on a website called indianbluebook.com. That is being trusted by the banks for funding these cars. That is being trusted by the consumers. On that price, banks are funding a loan. Insurance companies are using this product. OEMs are using this because if they have to sell a new car, they should know the price of a used car. So it's a best product we have, and we are getting these kind of interesting products to enable people, giving them tools so that they can know the pricing of a car, and that helps people and it's a real lifetime data which we collect from the market because we do these kind of transactions every day, and that becomes my data source, and I update my website, which is indianbluebook.com.
Okay, so that is your personal engine or
yes,
tool.
personal developed engine pricing tool, which is enabling, helping everybody in the ecosystem to buy and sell cars.